The recent hacking incident at a major South Korean telecom provider has triggered an unprecedented nationwide SIM card crisis. Among those eligible for replacement, only about 230,000 users, roughly 1% of all subscribers, have received new USIM cards.
국내 한 이동통신사의 해킹 사태가 초유의 유심 대란으로 번지고 있습니다. 교체 대상자 중 새 유심을 받은 이용자는 전체 가입자의 1% 수준인 23만 명에 불과한 것으로 나타났습니다. Oh, this is big news.
Yes.
And there are a lot of people who do not know what to do. So there was a hacking.
Yes.
And so we have to replace the SIM cards.
Yes.
Right?
We're specifically talking about the hacking that happened with SK Telecom.
Yes.
Which they have about 23 million subscribers. 가입자가 2,300만 명 정도인데요. There's also an extra 2 million that are in the more like budget companies that also are using the SK services.
That's like half the population of
Yeah.
South Korea.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
about half of all cell phones
Oh boy.
in Korea are with this company. And as of yesterday, the numbers we have for yesterday, only about 1% of those people that need to change their SIM cards have gotten their SIM cards.
Okay, so after our live show, I did not know about this, but our AD님, 우리 수민 AD님 told me about the news, and I said, wait a second, I need to get one. And I said, no, sorry, there isn't any for you. So I was like, wait a second, what's going on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is unfortunate not only just the size of the hacking that affected so many people, but also the fact that there are not enough SIM card replacements.
Well, in the headline, it's 1%.
Yes. So it takes about 5 to 10 minutes per person. But inside Korea, there aren't enough SIM cards.
Yeah.
They only think they'll have about 5 million by the end of next month. 다음 달까지 500만 개밖에 없을 거라고 해서.
So still not enough.
Yeah. So people that need to get these replacements may be waiting several months to, get these SIM cards, which puts their information, puts their phones at risk.
Right. So my question is, what do we do for people like me and possibly you?
Yeah. So some people are switching to another company.
To another, okay.
Some people are actually suing.
Ooh,
집단 소송을 준비하는 사람도 있고요.
really?
Yeah. And there are things you can do that include getting a SIM protection service. 유심 보호 서비스도 있고. You have to go in to the T-World application
Okay.
and apply there. There's also an identity theft prevention service. 명의 토용 방지 서비스도 있어요.
Okay.
So if you use both of those things, they are saying that it will help protect your information until you can get
Oh, got it.
your SIM card replacement.
Okay. Well, that's good to know.
They are trying to solve this problem as quickly as they can, but it will take a little while. Another thing is to watch out for phishing. Watch out for these phishing scams. You might be getting some messages that's saying like 유심 교체.
Oh, no.
Yeah, SIM replacement.
Oh, my.
So if you receive any text messages with that information,
Oh, they're using this opportunity.
yes. So be careful when you are trying to replace your SIM cards that you're doing it directly with SK Telecom and not with some other
Yeah.
thief.
If it doesn't
scammer.
say SK Telecom, don't even open it.
Even if it does,
Yeah.
try and go to the
Oh.
most official place you can find.
Very good. Good to know, Cam.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's very useful information. Thank you for that. Well, so it's roughly, we said in the headline, only roughly 1% of subscribers got the new replacement. And quickly, let's talk about this word roughly. It comes from the word rough. Now, typically, rough is like 뭐 거칠하다, 뭐 힘들다, like a rough day. I had a rough day at work. But in this context, it means approximately.
Yeah, 대략.
대략.
약.
Yes, that's right. So it's roughly, approximately. Those are very similar in meaning.
Yes.
Okay. If you are eligible for something, and we've talked about this expression before, 뭐 자격이 있는, 자격을 갖춘, right? You 해당되는,
Yes.
right?
Yeah, so in this case, if you're eligible for a replacement, you meet the requirements that allow you to get that replacement SIM card.
Okay, so I'm going to have to go into T-World, basically.
Yeah.
I have no idea how I'm going to do that.
And then wait quite a while.
And wait. Okay.
Wait, yeah.